Remember when we had to deal with chalkboards, heavy textbooks, and endless late night studying? What if I told you that now you can learn just about anything, anywhere, anytime without breaking a sweat? Welcome to the education revolution. Welcome back to Spill Edge. Education is changing fast, and technology is leading the way. Gone are the days when learning was stuck in boring classrooms and rigid schedules. Today, with smart tools like AI, virtual reality, and online platforms, knowledge is at everyone's fingertips. In this episode, we'll explore how technology is making learning easier, more personal, and way more fun. Have you ever noticed how Spotify suggests songs you love or how Netflix recommends movies based on what you've watched? Imagine having that same experience in your education. That's what personalized learning is all about. Take apps like Vedantu and Khan Academy. They use smart algorithms to create a learning experience just for you. For instance, Vedantu is helping millions of students with interactive video lessons and quizzes designed to adapt to their progress. It's like having a tutor who knows you better than you know yourself. Let's take the example of a 14-year-old girl from Mumbai. She used to struggle with math, feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. After her parents signed her up for a personalized learning app, everything changed. The app tailored lessons to her pace, focusing on the areas where she needed help. Soon, her grades improved, and guess what? She even started to enjoy math, something she once dreaded. Think of personalized learning as a tailored outfit. Instead of wearing the same thing as everyone else, you get something that fits you perfectly. Just like how you might prefer a specific style or color, personalized learning adapts to your unique strengths and interests, making education much more enjoyable. In the past, going to school meant physically being present in a classroom. But now, with platforms like Zoom and Google Classroom, the world is your classroom. Imagine students from a small village in India learning alongside peers from New York or Tokyo. All they need is an internet connection and a laptop or a mobile phone. During the pandemic, we saw this in action. Teachers held live classes, students submitted assignments online, and families got involved like never before. In Kerala, for example, schools used YouTube and TV broadcasts to reach students in areas with limited internet access. This innovative solution ensured that learning didn't stop even when schools were closed. Virtual classrooms are like teleportation for your brain. You don't need to travel thousands of miles to learn from the best. Technology brings them right to your doorstep. Now, you can join a science class in California while sitting in your living room in Delhi. Now imagine this. You're stuck on a tricky math problem at 11 p.m. Instead of waiting until morning to ask your teacher, you reach out to an AI tutor. In seconds, you get a clear explanation and tips to solve it. That's the magic of AI in education. AI tutors like ScribeSense or Carnegie Learning are revolutionizing education by providing instant 24 by 7 support. These AI systems analyze students' answers, identify their weaknesses, and guide them with detailed explanations. For example, a young kid from Rajasthan had a hard time with English pronunciation. His school introduced him to an AI language app, and within weeks, he was confidently speaking English, impressing everyone around him. But don't worry, AI tutors aren't here to replace teachers. They are like personal trainers for your brain, helping you stay on track and encouraging you when you need it. While AI handles the routine stuff, teachers can focus on creative and more complex tasks, making learning even richer. In today's fast paced world, learning doesn't stop when you graduate. With technology changing industries at lightning speed, staying updated is key. Platforms like LinkedIn Learning or Udemy make it easy for anyone to pick up new skills, whether you're 15 or 50. In Bangalore, IT professionals often enroll in online AI and data science courses to stay competitive in the job market. It's a race where the finish line keeps moving, and these platforms help you stay ahead. Think about your parents. Many of them learned how to use smartphones, video calling apps, and digital payments during the pandemic. That's lifelong learning in action. It's like upgrading your phone software. You need the latest version to keep up with the world. Lifelong learning isn't just about professional skills, it's about personal growth too. Whether you want to learn cooking, photography, or even a new language, the resources are out there ready for you to explore. The education revolution is here and it's just the beginning. Technology is breaking down barriers, making learning personal, accessible, and fun. But the real magic lies in how we use these tools. Education isn't just about consuming knowledge, it's about applying it to create a better world. What do you think the future of education would look like? Would it change for the better? Or would it make our younger generation more dependent on technology? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap for episode 5 of our tech journey. If you enjoyed this episode on education, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and see you soon.